Next up is asparagine. Asparagine is very similar to aspartic acid or aspartate, except asparagine is a amide. And I'll draw it first, and then we can talk about what that means. So alpha carbon, carboxyl group. And amine group. Asparagine is going to have a carbonyl group and a amine group, which together is considered an amide group. So you can see here on the right, here's your alpha carbon, N terminus, C terminus, and then the side chain here, ending with a carbonyl and an amine. So those functional groups on the side chain give it a polar charge. The oxygen will be slightly negative, and the nitrogen might also be slightly negative, unless a hydrogen ion sticks to it. Asparagine, ASN is the abbreviation, because ASP was already used, and then N is the single letter abbreviation. I think because the end of it sounds like N, asparagine, N. Maybe that's a little bit of a stretch, but that's how I remember it. And it has 2 codons, and it's non-essential in humans. And when it's synthesized, it comes from aspartate or aspartic acid that we've covered before, the other amino acid. And aspartate can be generated from oxaloacetate. And asparagine was named after asparagus juice. It was the first amino acid to be isolated, and it was isolated from asparagus juice in 1806. It's a little late to be talking about functional groups, but I never went over this in the previous video. So the double bond from a carbon to an oxygen is going to be a carbonyl group. And the carboxyl group is the double bond to an oxygen with a single bond to oxygen, hydrogen from the same carbon. And this amine group is the nitrogen connected to some other part of the molecule with a couple of hydrogens attached. It's probably on this page somewhere, but the amide group is kind of a combination of the carbonyl and the amine group. So when you see this, it's actually an amide. So the backbone of a protein is going to be this structure here. Just repeating. As far as I remember, there's it's just alternating carbon, nitrogen on the backbone. And then at the end of asparagine, at the end of the side chain, these R prime and R double prime will be hydrogen, and then R is the rest of the side chain. So this was R prime, R double prime, and then the rest of the side chain. I think that's it.